Stop serving dry pork loin. Lean meat dies at high heat. Ever slice a loin that looked done, then ate like cardboard? Everyone blames the cut. Nobody fixes the moisture. Fix is overnight inject. Then Mediterranean rub on the crust. American fire, anima italiana. Inject against the grain. Vegetable broth. Apple cider vinegar. Worcestershire. A drizzle of olive oil. Push every milliliter it will take. Pour the rest over the top. Fridge. Overnight. That rest is not optional. Tie it compact before the overnight rest, or right after the inject. Better shape. Cleaner slices later. Not stay functional, not pretty. Morning. Pat it dry, really dry. Thin olive oil binder, just enough to hold the rub. If you run lean cuts on a small grill, subscribe. Balcony tested methods every week. Comment the pull temp you trust on Loin. Light SPG first. Then a generous Mediterranean rub. Herbs. Warm spice. That second layer is the character on the bark. Oven pork loin is default. Dry heat, no bark story. Here the Mediterranean crust meets low smoke. My balcony, my regal. Grill at 100 degrees Celsius. Traeger pellet blend. Smoke tube packed with apple. Steady smoke. No drama. On the grates. Turn it several times. Even browning on every side. We hunt color and a clean climb, not a stall story. Target 63 Celsius, pull, carryover takes it to 65, 66, rest 10 to 15 minutes, exactly while the fire dies down. Pull hotter and you cook the juice out. Slice, look at that, perfectly cooked, juicy. The Inject did the work overnight. Extra moisture inside, Mediterranean crust outside. One slice becomes two. Full pork loin recipe lives right here. Run the Inject stack next weekend. Simply spaziale.